So I'm here again in my SEO for beginner series regarding a video about what are short tail keywords versus what are long tail keywords. So in SEO you must have heard about short tail keywords and long tail keywords. So what are short tail keywords and what are long tail keywords, and which one should I prefer to choose for my SEO strategies. I will be discussing about these topics in this video, so you have to stay with me in this video. So let's get started with this on this. So okay, so first thing first, the definition should be the first thing. And what is the definition is that when you are doing your research onto on-site SEO, you will come across the term short tail keywords and long tail keywords. Short tail keywords are much general queries, much general search queries which are being highly searched, and people are looking for information regarding those. And long tail keywords are basically a group of 3 or more than 3 words combined into a keyword known as a long tail keyword. A short tail keywords are less than 3 keywords. A combination of 2 words or a single word is known as the short tail. For instance, let's examine web hosting. That is a short tail keyword. Another is iPhone. That is a short tail. But let's say, in case if I'm searching buy iPhone in USA, because 1, 2, 3, 4 words, so that is a long tail keyword. Or in case if I'm searching web hosting companies in London, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now these are again 5 words. That is a long tail keyword. So you can see that even if it's like a iPhone deals, that is again a short tail keyword, because that is the combination of 2 words. When it comes to 2 words, that is a short tail keyword, and when it goes to 3 or more than 3 words combined into a specific query, it is known as a long tail keyword. You can see that now these are the 4 words combined are making a long tail keyword, 5 words here making a long tail keyword. And let's say if I search for best doctors in Sydney, again now this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 words combination, and that is again a long tail keyword. Now you must be on like, which one should I go for? Should I go for a long tail keyword or a short tail keyword? Which is better for my SEO strategy? So that for information, that short tail keywords always have high searches, high traffic volume. But that high traffic volume doesn't necessarily always mean that you will get high sales. First thing first, that short tail keywords are also very competitive. When it comes to that, they have higher searches, they also have higher and huge competition. So you need a lot of resources to target. When it comes to SEO and for PPC, they have high CPC bids, and it's very difficult to get your target over there. And now, because you also need to understand the intent behind the keyword. Unless and until you are a mass company or a huge company with huge marketing budgets, I usually do not recommend people to go with the short tail keywords, rather with long tail keywords, because long tail keywords also have less searches but also have less competition, means easier to target. For SEO and for PPC, they have less competition, means easier to target, easily you can get it ranked, and the intent behind each visitor is also very clear in long tail keywords. Okay, now because when a person is searching web hosting, it doesn't necessarily mean that he wants to buy it. Maybe he wants to know what is web hosting. So the intent of the visitor is not clear in short tail. But when the person is searching web hosting companies in London, it means that the person is looking for companies in London, not in other cities of UK or another part of the world, but rather specifically looking on which are the companies who are available in London. So it also describes the intent of the visitor very clear. So this also helps you in improving your marketing strategy, because we can create a customized ad for them based on their long intent. Like looking for web hosting companies in London, we are located in London, we are located in central London. So you can more target them in more better way. For instance, now that is when a person is searching for iPhone deals, that you don't know that he is actually looking to buy iPhone along, or he's also looking to buy iPhone AirPods, or a slight confusion over there. But when a person searches buy iPhone in USA, Even it just compare with a simple iPhone, he's not sure that, or you are not sure that person wants to know what is iPhone, wants to do a comparison with other Samsung devices, you wants to know what is the latest iPhone which is in the market. So much confusion over here. But when the person is searching buy iPhone in USA, it means that the intent is very clear, that a person is looking to buy iPhone in USA. Although it is a long tail keyword, but there are higher chances of converting that visitor into a sale, because that the intent behind the customer is very clear. He wants to buy iPhone, so he is also telling his location, making it easier the process to convert the visitor into a sale. Driving traffic is not the important part, but rather converting it into a sale is much more important thing as a marketer. So I personally suggest that long tail keywords should be preferred in marketing. I hope I was able to differentiate between long tail keywords and short tail keywords, and which one you should opt for. Thank you for watching the video. In case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel again. Thank you and bye bye.